Well, all right, I'm back working on my 81 El-Camino today. I put in a solid state relay box so I could wire in my electric fans up on the radiator and my electric fan for the transmission cooler. It's been a long day, and I'll just show you this cool relay box. I really like this. So it's coming along. I did a crank check on it today, turned the engine over, and it cranks over just fine. It's hot now, it's got power, and moving right along. Tomorrow I'm going to be installing the Holly computer system on it and get that all dialed in. But what I wanted to show you is the controller that I'm using for these two electric fans right here and the transmission cooling fan. So here's the controller right here. Take the cover off, and it's a solid state relay setup. It's made by Auxbeam, and this thing is just awesome. At any rate, power comes in directly from the battery, and the ground goes directly to the battery. So here's the power, here's the ground, and then you just run all your devices up into here and just poke them in the holes, tighten up these screws, you're good to go. So these are my forward fans, fan 1, fan 2, and this is my transmission fan right here. This wire right here leads to a pigtail, which is rather long, and this will end up being in the cab. It just has some click buttons. So I use this one, and this one. It's got some stickers that you can pull out and label the buttons that you're using. A lot of four-wheel drive Jeep dudes use these, boat dudes use these, race car guys for their trailers. Pretty cool system. So I'll show you how it works. This wire right here, when you go key on, it activates this whole panel. So I gotta go key on. All right, very simple. See if I can get the fans in the background too, and this. But just click this on. Fan comes on. So I'll be controlling this from inside the car. And you can go straight off like this and turn them right back on, just like that. This is the one I'm using here for my transmission cooling fan, which is under the car. And you can hear that. It's kicking pretty good. This is the derail fan that I installed. There it is. At last, power. Good to go. And it's a little bit of a disaster area, but I'm cleaning up now, and tomorrow I'm installing the Holly Terminator kit. That's it. Snug as a bug in a rug.